So we're going to continue with creating the queries, and this will take us to question 5. The management of fashion feed would like the following information acquired through queries from their database. And the first question, and the first query that we ought to create, all persons living in the town of Labrie, include in this query each person's first name and last name. Also sort the query by last name in ascending order. We have to save this query as Labrie. So I'm pulling up my Access database. Now I have already created this query just to give you an idea of what the results ought to look like. This is it. All right, so how do we create this from scratch? Basically, I'm going to click on create. I'm going to choose query design. When you do so, you are going to get the option to add the tables. I will just click once on each table. I will close it off, and then I'm going to choose the fields required in this query. So basically, I want first name. I'm just clicking once on the field that I want. First name, last name, town. Now you'll notice I'm not taking any info from the work info table. Just for your information, just for you to know, I could either remove the table or leave it. Let's leave it for this particular demonstration. It wouldn't make a difference to our results, right? Now, in this particular case, we need to indicate that the town is Labrie. So I'm just going to type Labrie in the criteria row under the town column. And also, I need to do a sort. And the sort, we're going to sort according to ascending order by the employee's last name. So I've done so. When I hit run, I would get the following results. So this is query 1, right? I need to save it as, do you want to save the changes to the design of query 1? I say yes. And the name of the query is Labrie. Right? QRY is a naming convention used when you're creating queries at the end of the name of a query. So we have Labrie query 1. I have to name it query 1 simply because I have Labrie query existing already. I say OK. And just for comparison, this is the query we have just created. Right, and this is the one we have done during the live class. So it's the same. Remember, you have to go back and check. And if you do a count of how many employees belong to the town of Labrie, you'll realize that there are 8 employees. And we have 8 records here, so that we are absolutely correct. All right, so we'll continue in another video.